Hi everyone. Today we will see how to retrieve the different reports associated with your FieldSense service from the manager's portal as well as from the admin portal as well. For that, we will go to web.fieldsense.in and log into it with the username and the password. So I have logged in my manager panel, and right from here I'll select report section. So the report section brings me down to 4 modules, which is attendance, visit, expense and travel. So if I want to retrieve any data related to any user with regards to attendance, visit, expense or travel, I can get the same from my manager portal itself. Let's check. For attendance, I'll select a member and provide the date range for which I want to check the attendance report. Click on show. So FieldSense will fetch the data right from the database related to this user with the date, the punch-in time of that user, also the punch-in location, followed by punch-out location and the number of hours this person has worked for. So this total statistical data can be retrieved right through the manager level related to any of your member who is using the FieldSense service. Also, we have also given you the option to save this data right into your computer. We will open the file and check how it looks like. So here you get the data for the date, followed by punch-in time, punch-in location, punch-out location and the number of hours that this person has worked for. So this will definitely help you to file all your data for your company. Next, what we have is the visit. Similarly, if you want to track data related to a particular member who is using the FieldSense service of us, to track the visit report related for this particular user. Similarly, you have to select the date, that is for the period of time that you want to check the number of visits the user has gone for. So it will give you the customer name followed by what kind of visit it was, the date, the time the person has gone for, what was the purpose for that particular visit, who was the owner, that is who has gone for that particular visit, the status, what is the status of the visit that the person has undergone, followed by the outcome. Here also you can save your details related to this user right into a CSV format Excel file. Expense report, if you want to check for a user, yes, we have given it in this same report section as well. Let's select the same user. Let's select the date. So it will give you the details regarding the expenses the person has requested the manager to approve for, the category, amount, date and time, and for what purpose, for which visit the person has gone for, and what was the amount for that particular customer. That too comes under this section. The visit, what was the visit related to, the status. Also, if you go a bit further, it will give you whether the expense was being approved or rejected by the admin and the reason associated for rejection. So if you want everything under one section to get hold of all the data related to the person, yes, it is possible. We have made FieldSense more user-friendly, effective, easy to use, and of course a portal to make your tracking of users very easy. Similarly, if you want to track of the travel, you have to select the user, put the date range, and the same will get fetched from the database and be presented right in front of you. Now, this was from the manager's point of view. What about the admin panel? So for that, we will go to our admin panel and check the differences between the admin panel report section and that of the manager. So here you have the options which is called reports. Now here under the attendance, you have the date range of the persons who are reporting to you. So here I'll select the date. So here you can see that this is the person has gone for this number of, the punch-in location of this user from this. Now here, these are the number of persons who are reporting to me. So I have just put in the date range, and it will give me the attendance report of all the users who are reporting to me. So if you want to download the result and save, yes, this is the option to do the same. Similarly for your visit as well, I'll select a member, click on show. So during this period of time, this person who is under me has gone for this number of visits, the date, time, followed by the purpose related to that particular visit, the status and the outcome. Similarly for your expense as well, let's select quickly a user and view. So these are the expenses that the person has requested for. Let's check with travel. So under travel, you only get the date range for one particular day. So this is the data of this particular user, and what has the person done on that particular day, like how much distance the person has traveled from which location to which location, everything under one roof. So this is the difference between the manager panel and that of the admin panel. So this way you can get all your data related to your user right from the FieldSense dashboard webmail, which will definitely make you get all your data related to the user right under the fingertips. In case if you need any other assistance regarding how to upload users or how to create a visit in FieldSense, all these videos are being uploaded in the same channel. So go through them and do share your feedback. Thank you so much.